Good afternoon, my name is Jack Ware. I'm with Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. One of the best places in the United States that you can do business. We've been a family-owned business for over 50 years, 4.5-star Google service rating. I mean, you can't ask for more as far as that. Our opinion is that service after the sale is just as important as service on the sale. So having that in mind, I'm here to show you today the 2015 Fleetwood Terra SE. It is a 29-foot model. It's on the Ford Triton V10 chassis with a 4.0 Onan generator. I'm not going to cover a lot of the specifics on the tank sizes and stuff because that's all readily available right online for you. So what we're going to do is going to go inside and look at the floor plan because that's what people have the most interest in. It's where you're going to live and where you're going to have your fun. So let's go on inside. Okay, so you're going to notice right away the cockpit. Nice, comfortable cockpit, roomy, automatic levelers, nice information system, very user-friendly on this. You have flex steel furniture, these are full rotating seats, and this one does have the overhead bunk. Got your information or your control panels right above the door here, very easily accessible, and you have your TV just to the left of that, which will rotate out for perfect viewing throughout the coach. Moving over to the countertops, you have a nice stainless dual sink, plenty of overhead storage, your microwave, 3-burner cooktop, and gas range. You have plenty of under sink storage and full extension on your drawers. Nice spice rack, a nice wraparound dinette, fit the whole family back there, and it will collapse into a bed for you for that extra sleeping. Nice overhead storage over the dinette also. Moving back, we've got there we go. Refrigerator, freezer, storage over the top. Pantry here, really nice. Plenty of room. And then you have a wardrobe here. Lots of room in the wardrobe, store a bunch of clothes. Over to the right hand side you have your bathroom, shower, sink, nice vanity. Alright, moving back into the bedroom, you have your nice walk around bed, full view windows on each side, a wardrobe on the left, storage on the right. This is something you could be really comfortable in for extended stays out in the boonies or in your favorite RV lot. Again, my name is Jack Weir. I'm with Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. If you've got any questions on any of the specifics, give me a call at 541-654-1820, or you can shoot me an email at jack.weir@guarantee.com. Thank you very much for your time.